Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Robinhood and AMC absolutely flipped on Shiba Inu. Shib explosion to $1. Shib news today. It was a rough week for the popular meme coin Shiba Inu, and this rough week could extend into the new week as the price is down by minus 4.72% and trading at $0.00001111. Shiba Inu's price broke below the 100 daily moving average in the early hours of today, after a previous spike to $0.00001216. The bears currently control the market and a massive sell-off has been recorded. In this video, we will talk about Robinhood and AMC absolutely flipped on Shiba Inu. Shib explosion to $1. Shib news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu price led the crypto market's rise as the total market capitalization climbed to $960 billion. Shib is known to have a volatile investor base, and the same was verified over the last 24 hours as whales and retail investors alike became active after months. Shiba Inu price had been trading under a downtrend line since December 2021, keeping the altcoin from engaging in any bullish momentum. Episodes of price rise did push the meme coin to test the downtrend line to no vein, as Shib failed all its previous attempts, making this the 6th time the meme coin is aiming to rise above it. Currently trading at $0.00001178, Shiba Inu was up by 10.82% on Friday. The cryptocurrency reclaimed the support of the 50-day simple moving average SMA and the 100-day SMA. A further price rise would flip the downtrend line into support, indicating a bullish resurgence for the coin. However, if Shiba Inu fails to do so and falls back, it will need to remain above the critical support of $0.00000730. This will be avoided if investors refrain from engaging in a sell-off right away, which seems to be the current sentiment. Following the price rise, on-chain metrics showed that Shiba Inu investors became active once again. Within 24 hours, over 3 trillion SHIB were bought off of exchanges, which is a positive sign for Shiba Inu. Buying during an unprecedented hike shows that investor confidence is high right now and that they will hold on to their assets as they expect a further price increase. Whales and retail investors both shared this sentiment. Whale transactions worth more than $100,000 touched $168 million, the highest in 4 months. Despite this, selling was not observed on-chain. If this bullishness persists, Shib will have an opportunity to rise further and establish $0.00001200 as a solid support base. Whales are heading over to meme coin Shiba Inu as large holders have purchased over $35 million daily. The transactions have taken place as the price has been increasing considerably. Shib is up over 11% in the last 24 hours with a trading volume that exceeds $617 million. One whale bought about 119.3 billion Shiba Inu just as the token broke its resistance level. Another one bought a whopping 3.36 trillion SHIB, worth about $33.6 million. Remarkably, these are new whales, and both transactions took place 24 hours. As a meme coin, Shiba Inu can be unpredictable regarding its price. However, there have been some major developments happening in the ecosystem. The market has also been improving generally, with all assets seeing high price bumps over the past few days. Fellow meme coin Doge also saw a huge price increase, with the token increasing by over 21%. This bodes well for those who go after meme coins, though the price spike might not last long. The increase in SHIB price comes as the burn rate also spikes. The SHIB burn tracker shows that the burn rate has risen by a massive 1,934% in the last 24 hours. This could be one of the reasons behind the price bump. SHIB has increased in price by over 15% in the last week. The token is now $0.00001161, having been at around $0.00001001 7 days ago. The token has now crossed the $6 billion mark. There have been reports that SHIB holders may soon be able to pay for Netflix and Amazon services indirectly using SHIB. The payment feature comes thanks to the FCF Pay, which says that it'll soon support SHIB in its prepaid debit cards. Users are not paying for Netflix and Amazon directly. Rather, they're paying for the services through FCF Pay's prepaid debit card, and whatever crypto assets it supports. What the payment services provider does is convert the crypto asset into fiat at the point of purchase. Another move forward in terms of adoption is that real estate brands Pacaso and condos.com will also accept Shib via BitPay. As per the cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp's announcement, trading Shiba Inu tokens is now possible in the United States. After the biggest European exchange began offering Shib trading in other markets, this happened. American users of Bitstamp can exchange the well-known meme cryptocurrency for dollars and euros. Early in June, Shiba Inu was finally made tradable on the major European cryptocurrency platform. The listing was first disclosed by the well-known trading platform in December. Fans of Shib, however, had to wait half a year before they could trade their preferred cryptocurrency on Bitstamp due to technical issues. 11 trillion Shib, or 11,182,405,061,512 Shib, have been swapped in the last day, according to data from CoinMarketCap. After momentarily dipping to the $0.000099 level, Shiba Inu has recaptured the $0.000010 level. Shiba Inu showed a slight boost at the time of publication, rising 5% to $0.000010. The Shib price dropped to trade below this crucial level once more after hitting highs of $0.00001058 on October 26th, after a 4-day upward trend. On October 24th, sellers drove Shib to a low of $0.00000985. Shiba Inu is trying to establish a base at the $0.00000985 price level after prices failed to fall below it for the second day in a row today. Before the next move, there may be range trading since the RSI has flattened below the midway. According to CoinMarketCap data, the prices of the Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens Bone and Leash have also seen slight gains in the last day. Despite being down 88% from its peak, Shib still draws many investors. Shiba Inu currently has 1,230,068 holders, according to cryptocurrency data tracker WhaleStats, indicating that the number of Shib holders has increased recently. Since 2022, the percentage of Shiba Inu holders, or addresses that have owned Shib for more than a year, has increased from less than 4% to over 37% of holders. 37% of Shib holders have held their Shiba Inu tokens for more than a year. 60% have held for less than a year, and 3% have held on to their tokens for less than a month, per Into the Block's data on holder composition by time held. Shiba Inu was one of the best cryptocurrency performers, not just in 2021. To give you an idea of how high Shiba Inu went, anyone who bought $100 worth of Shib in late 2020 was sitting at $50 million when it hit highs of $0.00008845 back in October 2021. Analysts mostly agree that Shib is still a good investment, especially now that Bitcoin is turning bullish again. The economy forecast agency has a price prediction of $0.00001236 for Shiba Inu for 2022. Interactive Crypto is also pretty bullish on Shiba Inu in the short term. As per Shiba price prediction, Shiba Inu will hit a high of $0.000071 by 2022. Whichever prediction you choose to go with, analysts believe that you could make between 20% and 90% return on investment with Shiba Inu. We must understand that the market predictions of different analysts widely vary. A good number of times, these predictions will prove wrong as analysts cannot always foresee events such as political or environmental crises. It is wise that investors conduct their research before investing in a cryptocurrency, especially in something as volatile as Shib. For instance, a Changelly blog post claimed that after studying Shib prices and market fluctuations, experts predict that Shib could go as high as $0.00005048 and as low as $0.00004183. Its potential ROI for the said year is predicted to be $322, with its average price remaining $0.00004335. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.